Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on summer vacation. Let's start the video. First line. Summer vacation is my favorite time of the year. Second line. It's a time to relax and have fun with friends and family. Third line. I spent my vacation visiting my grandparents' home. Fourth line. We had gone on a trip and enjoyed a lot. Fifth line. My grandparents and I had a lots of fun every day. Sixth line. Most of my time I spent playing video games with my friends. Seventh line. I attended art classes to improve my art skills. Eighth line. I completed my holiday homework before the end of the vacation. Ninth line. Overall, my summer vacation was a memorable and enjoyable experience. Tenth line. I love summer vacation very much. Thank you friends. Please like the video and subscribe my channel for more useful videos.